Folding at Home Projects 12425 through 12445. Designed mini-protein therapeutics occupy the middle ground between small molecule drugs and monoclonal antibody treatments for infectious disease. Hemagglutinin is a viral fusion protein that allows H1 influenza A, HA, to bind sialic acid on cell surfaces, as well as being involved in the post-endocytosis mechanism of cellular infection. The Baker Lab at University of Washington has developed de novo designed mini-proteins that bind hemagglutinin, and developed ways to improve their binding through affinity maturation. Many of the mutations seen in affinity matured sequences are not directly in the binding interface, and it is unclear how these changes lead to higher affinity. Understanding this mechanism may help us better computationally design better binders. We aim to use molecular dynamic simulations to examine ab initio binding pathways for these mini-protein binders, and use enhanced sampling methods to study the unbinding reaction. Pairing these methods together will provide a robust description of the complete binding reaction for this system.